Hello everyone. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share some of the most important lessons we've learned after years of helping customers. One of the issues that confuses Hydrow rower customers the most is the internal resistance sensor error code 501. Many people think the motor or display is damaged, but in reality, this warning is usually related to an incorrect reading from the sensor that controls the internal resistance system. At our repair shop, we've seen cases where the machine powers on perfectly, but as soon as the workout begins, the code appears and the resistance stops working properly. Some customers describe it by saying, "Everything seems normal until I start rowing and the error appears." That detail usually points to a communication issue between internal components. The most common cause is often a loose connection, a dirty connector, or an inconsistent sensor reading caused by the constant movement of the machine. Even though it may seem like a major failure, many times the problem is caused by a small electrical detail rather than the main control board. This issue can also appear after moving the Hydrow, performing maintenance, or due to temporary system glitches. A complete restart, unplugging the machine for a few minutes, and powering it back on can help rule out temporary errors. However, if the sensor is damaged, the code will return. From a technical standpoint, before replacing any parts, we recommend checking the wiring, connections, and communication between the sensor and the control board. Replacing components without proper diagnosis can lead to unnecessary expenses. If the error continues after these checks, the most likely cause is a failure in the internal sensor or another component of the resistance system. In that case, the best option is to contact Hydrow support or take the machine to a specialized repair shop, since the equipment contains sensitive electronic components.